According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Section 404.8 at war, electrical equipment requires a minimum clear space of 3 feet in front of it. The code also dictates a minimum working depth of 30 inches. These requirements are in place to ensure safe access to the equipment for both maintenance and operational purposes. If an installation provides the required working space width only when the doors are open, it does not comply with the code. When the doors are closed, there must still be sufficient clearance to safely access the panel boards. In situations where a closet is only 12 inches deep with the doors closed, this is less than the required 30 inches. The inspector is justified in rejecting such an installation because it does not meet the NEC working space requirement. The code mandates a certain amount of space to allow personnel to work safely on electrical equipment without obstruction. This includes adequate space to maneuver and perform necessary tasks. The purpose of having this space available is to minimize the risk of electrical shock or injury. If the equipment is located in a confined space, such as a closet, it must be designed to meet the minimum clearance requirements, ensuring that the equipment is accessible and safe to work on. If the available space is less than what the code requires, it could lead to difficult and unsafe working conditions. It's crucial that electrical installations adhere to the NEC guidelines to ensure safety and proper functionality. Therefore, it is important to plan and design electrical installations carefully to ensure that the working space requirements are met, thus promoting safety and ease of maintenance. Consider the depth and width of the enclosure, as well as the space in front of it when determining compliance with the code. The working space should remain unobstructed to allow safe access to electrical equipment. It's vital that electrical installations are always up to code to safeguard lives and prevent potential electrical hazards. Remember the 3-foot rule. Always ensure that there is enough space in front of all electrical components for safety.